Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency with Xempire and Tonkeeper? In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps to stay connected with your Tonkeeper wallet to Xempire, ensuring you're set to claim your X tokens during the upcoming airdrop on October 24, 2024. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Tonkeeper wallet. First things first, if you have not already downloaded the Tonkeeper app from your device's app store or access it via the Tonkeeper bot on Telegram. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one using your 24-word passphrase. Important. Keep your passphrase secure and stored offline. Step 2. Fund your wallet. To connect your wallet effectively, you will need to transfer a small amount of TON, around 1.1 TON, to cover gas fees. This is crucial for smooth transactions on the blockchain. Step 3. Connect your wallet to Xempire. Now open the Xempire app. Then navigate to the airdrop section. Here's how to link your Tonkeeper wallet. Select your wallet. Choose Tonkeeper from the list compatible wallets. Authorize the connection. Complete the test transaction of 0.1 TON to verify that your wallet is properly linked. These steps ensures that everything is set up correctly. Setup. Stay active for airdrop eligibility. To maximize your airdrop rewards, engage actively in Xempire by completing daily tasks and referring friends. The more you active, the higher your potential earnings will be converted into X tokens during the airdrop. By following these steps, you will not only connect your Tonkeeper wallet to Xempire, but also positions yourself for success in the upcoming airdrop event. Don't forget to keep participating in game activities and stay engaged with the community for additional rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Happy gaming and good luck with your Xempire journey.